Oh, wait. Oh, yes! Our egg pairing is done. So let us add the edges to it. And that you got this, you just work up with the corner. No, wait. Now that we have this, with these moves to just pair it up with the corner. And just do this to put it in. And since we got an all skip, we should be able to solve this pretty quickly.
Where are you going?
Okay, wait. Where? Kind of left, up, right, down, left, down. Wait. You got it! We can solve a 5x5 now! And up, left, up. Yes! We got it! We got it! Yes! We finally are able to solve a 5x5. Almost there. I got so lucky. After like 10 tries, I finally solved the 5x5 Rubik's Cube. Oh. Yes!
Show me all the sides.